Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Selamat pagi anak-anak. We meet again at the English subject. Kita bertemu lagi dalam mata pelajaran bahasa Inggris with Ma'am Nur. How are you today? Bagaimana keadaannya hari ini? May everyone be well. Semoga semuanya baik-baik saja ya. Oke, before you start the lesson, sebelum kalian memulai pembelajaran pada pertemuan kali ini, don't forget to pray first. Jangan lupa untuk berdoa terlebih dahulu. Okay, sorry, there is a little trouble. Okay, next, let me start. Izinkan Miss Nur memulai. Okay, anak-anak, our material for today, materi kita pada pertemuan kali ini, that is about thanking and apologizing expression. Itu adalah ungkapan berterima kasih dan meminta maaf. It's still in chapter 1. Ini masih dalam bab 1. Cuman subbabnya kalau yang pertemuan pertama itu greeting, sapaan. The second one, yang kedua adalah thanking and apologizing expression. Nah, for the first activity, untuk kegiatan yang pertama, Ma'am Nur akan memberikan sebuah video. I will show you a video that is a dialogue about gratitude or thanking and a dialogue about apologizing. You can watch carefully, listen carefully.
Expressions thanking. Hey David, how are you? Hey Jen, I'm not feeling well. What's wrong with you, David? I lost my English notebook and there is an English class tomorrow. Don't worry, David. I will lend you my notebook. You can write it. Thank you, Jen. You are very kind. Expressions apologizing. Okay, students, now we are learning about expressions. Why are you coming so late? I'm sorry, Mom. I'm coming so late because my bike tire is flat. Okay, but don't do it again. Next, you have to check your bike before going to school. Yes, Mom.
Okay, that's all about the video. Itu tadi videonya. Now, let me explain. Sekarang coba Ma'am Nur jelaskan untuk lebih detailnya. Nah, let's discuss together. Ayo bersama-sama kita diskusikan. Nah, kira-kira what are the dialogue discussing? For the first one, there is a girl and a boy, David and Jane. Hi David, how are you? Hi Jane, I'm not feeling well. On that situation, pada situasi tersebut, David is not feeling well. Jadi David di situ merasa tidak baik. What's wrong with you, David? Ada apa denganmu, David? I lost my English notebook. Aku kehilangan buku catatan bahasa Inggrisku. And there is an English class tomorrow. Dan ternyata besok ada kelas bahasa Inggris. Nah, you can imagine, bisa kalian bayangkan, that David is confused. Jadi dia bingung. Don't worry David, I will lend you my notebook so you can rewrite it. Jangan khawatir David, aku akan meminjamkanmu buku catatanku, jadi kamu bisa menuliskan kembali. Thank you Jane, you are very kind. Kamu sangat baik sekali. Now, be focused on that expression. Kalian fokus pada ungkapannya David bahwa dia bilang terima kasih Jane, kamu baik sekali. Nah, from that expression you can conclude, dari ungkapan tersebut kalian bisa menyimpulkan bahwa kata-kata thank you itu adalah ungkapan berterima kasih. Next, the second expression is about apologizing expression, ungkapan meminta maaf. Nah, you have been watch, kalian sudah melihat dialog tersebut. There is a teacher and student. Ada seorang guru dan seorang murid. That the student was coming late. Jadi pada saat itu muridnya datang terlambat. Look at that one. Coba dilihat di situ. Okay, student. Now we are learning about expression. Nah, jadi di situ gurunya mau menerangkan. Baik anak-anak, sekarang kita akan mempelajari tentang ungkapan. After that, there is a boy that coming late. Ada seorang anak laki-laki yang datang terlambat. Nah, next, the teacher asks him, why are you coming so late? Kenapa kamu datang terlambat? I'm sorry ma'am, I'm coming so late because my bike tire is flat. Jadi, di situ dia datang terlambat karena ban sepedanya itu bocor. Nah, now you can be focused on the boy expression. Jadi kalian bisa mengamati di situ ungkapannya anak laki-laki itu. He said, I am sorry. Dia berkata, saya minta maaf. I'm coming so late. Karena aku sudah datang terlambat. Nah, bagaimana responnya the teacher? How is the teacher responding? Bagaimana tanggapannya sang guru? Okay, but don't do it again. Jangan lakukan lagi. Next, you have to check your bike. Nah, untuk selanjutnya kamu harus memeriksa dulu sepedamu before going to school. Sebelum kamu pergi ke sekolah. Yes, ma'am. Nah, so that's all from the dialogue. Itu tadi tentang dialognya. Now, what can we conclude? Apa yang bisa kita simpulkan dari video tersebut? Nah, look at this. Coba dilihat di situ. Take a look. Thanking expression, ungkapan berterima kasih. Ungkapan berterima kasih itu apa sih? It's such an expression. Itu adalah salah satu ungkapan that someone someone or other people has do everything. Jika ada seseorang yang sudah melakukan sesuatu that yang mana can help or give us something, yang bisa membantu kita di situ. And then what about apologizing? Jadi ya seperti biasa, kalau meminta maaf, to tell someone that you are sorry. Jadi mengungkapkan bahwa kamu itu merasa bersalah for having done something wrong, karena kamu sudah melakukan suatu kesalahan. You have been make a mistake. Nah, look at the table. Dilihat di situ ada sebuah tabel. There are expressing, thanking, and the responding. Jadi ada ungkapan berterima kasih dan ada ungkapan menanggapinya. Mem Nur bacakan satu-satu ya. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for your kindness. Thanks. Thanks for everything. Thanks for your help. Many thanks. I thank you. Thanks a lot. And what about the responding? You're welcome. That's alright. That's okay. Not at all. No problem. Don't mention it. Never mind. It's my pleasure. It was the least I could do. It's no trouble at all. Nah, so you cannot only use thank you or okay. Nah, kan biasanya hanya yang taunya ya thank you aja atau okay. Atau kadang taunya kan you're welcome. Nah, jadi there are other expression that you can use. Ada ungkapan lain yang mungkin bisa kalian gunakan. Another expression is apologizing and its responding. Mem Nur bacakan sekali lagi. I must apologize for. Jadi bla bla blanya itu bisa diisi dengan ungkapan based on the certain condition, berdasarkan kondisi tertentu. Misalkan kayak tadi, I must apologize for coming late. I do apologize for breaking your book. Nah, seperti itu. Jadi di depannya harus ada kata benda. I would like to apologize for. I apologize for. I shouldn't have. I'm so sorry for. It's all my fault. I'm terrible sorry for. Please forgive me for my blah blah blah. And then the respondings are never mind. It doesn't matter. Don't apologize. That's alright. No harm done. Don't worry about it. You couldn't help it. Forget about it. Don't mention it. That's okay. Nah, so students, that's all from my presentation. Jadi cukup sekian untuk pemaparannya Mem Nur. I hope you can understand what I explain. Miss Nur harap kalian bisa memahami apa yang Mem Nur jelaskan. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum and God bless you.